In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a Google Drive folder with all of its documents inside. So if you've tried to copy the folder and essentially create like a duplicate copy, you might have right-clicked on the folder and looked for the copy or duplicate button, but it isn't there. But there is a workaround on how you can essentially copy this whole thing, and I'm going to show you right now. Now, you may have also tried double-clicking, highlighting the contents, and looking for the copy button here, or maybe on the right here. It doesn't exist, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So what you need to do, if you've got a folder within folders and you've got files in those folders, is you need to go to the main folder, the starting folder. You need to right click on it and you need to click download. Now what we're going to do is we're going to download this file, and it's going to download it and it will zip up the file. So just prepare for the download. This might take a while. It depends how big your file is, but just bear with it. So go ahead and save it. I've just saved it to my downloads here, which we can then open. So here we are inside of my file explorer. Here you can see we've got the file here and it has zipped it up. So this is the example documents folder, which contains all of these other folders, all of these other files. Now what we would do from here, we would right click, we can then go ahead and extract it. So click extract all, and it will then ask you where do you want to extract it to. I'm going to extract it to the same destination, which is going to be just my downloads. That's fine. Now, once we've done that, it will then extract this into a normal folder. And if we double click on it, we can see all of these documents here, right? So now what we can do is we can go ahead and upload this file back into Google Drive. So now we'll go new, we'll go folder upload, then head into the downloads or wherever you downloaded it to, click on the folder, then click uploads, then click upload again to all your files. And then this folder, which is essentially a duplicate, will contain the exact same files of your first folder. So just wait for it to upload and then we'll check it out. Here, as you can see, if we double click on it, we've got all of these same documents that we had in the first one. All you might want to do now is just rename this by right clicking, going to rename, and then you can call this example documents 1. And there you go. You've now essentially duplicated a folder and all of its files.